This is an old sewing machine. Brand name is Dressmaker. For some reason, this machine quit working. So, my husband figured it out because this one is not turning up and down. The up and down is right over this side. That side, the teeth. The teeth is not coming up and down. So, what we did is open up, take that screw 1, 2, 3, 4. So he take that out, and so you can see it's open. So this is the inside of the sewing machine. We took this off. The bottom, like you can see, is 4 screwdriver in there. We open up, and right where my finger is, the little right there screw fell off. That's why the teeth is not working. So we put that back in. That's the little screw right there. It's like so little. And so since we open up, so we just need to put some oil in there so it won't rust it. And see, right there, the turning point. The turning point screw fell off. That's why it won't turn anymore. So we put this screw back on. As my husband is a good mechanic. Alright, it's time to put it back in. Where is that little?
See the little hole in the cap?
Yeah.
That's what was loose on the square base. 1 screw. Right there, like that. Alright, see that one goes up and down? Get a drop down. Yeah, that makes it draw more dust. Alright, you want to wipe that off, son?
Yeah.
Okay, do that real quick.
Alright, it's back working. I'm amazed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just a little video for you. I hope you learned something. God bless you. Bye-bye.